Most people don't know what they're capable of. They quit when it hurts. They stop when it's uncomfortable. But the truth is, pain is where the real you is born. I wasn't born a Navy SEAL. I wasn't born a runner. I was broken, overweight, insecure, full of fear. But I made a decision to stop being a victim, to stop making excuses, to take control of my life. You want to be great? You gotta suffer. You gotta show up when it's cold, when it's dark, when nobody believes in you, not even yourself. Because greatness isn't built in comfort. It's built in chaos, in silence, in the moments nobody sees. Every day I looked in the mirror and asked, who are you going to be today? Not who the world says you are, not who your past says you are. Who you decide to become. Discipline, accountability, sacrifice. These aren't fancy words, these are weapons. Use them. When you're tired, keep going. When you're scared, keep going. When you're broken, keep going. Because at the end of pain, there's pride, there's power, and most of all, there's freedom. You don't find yourself by avoiding struggle. You find yourself by walking straight into it and refusing to quit. Stay hard.